Hey Danish tubers, this video is brought to you by FlixFluent. Now for a long time, a lot of you have been asking me, Liam, please get subtitles on your podcast. It's really difficult to listen to a podcast without the subtitles. I totally get it, but for a long time, YouTube did not automatically generate Danish subtitles. Good news, now it does. Even better news, I found an amazing Google Chrome extension that will help you to boost your Danish learning. Let's take a look at it. I'm genuinely really excited about this app. I was approached by FlixFluent. They didn't have Danish installed at the time, so I said, hey, I'd really love to use it, but there's no Danish there. Now it is there. Boom. So check it out. You can get instant grammar explanations, contextual translations in your native language. It doesn't have to be just be English. And basically using Netflix or YouTube, you can have a kind of interactive lesson with dual subtitles, word deconstruction, and AI-powered sentence analysis. I love it. All you need to do is install the extension, FlixFluent extension, and then go over to Netflix, YouTube, get going. So let me give you a brief runaround of what this thing can do. So here I am on Netflix with a series called Secrets We Keep. I think it's a new one. I haven't seen it actually, so I'm actually going to watch it all. But I found this interesting line here. Let's just hear it to start with.
Ej, det er sgu da for kedeligt for ham.
Ej, det er sgu da for kedeligt for ham. So you might read that and think, okay, det er for kedeligt. That's too boring for him, for ham. But then there's other words, school and da, in there that kind of don't make much sense. When I hover over the word school, you can see that it means damn, but that's not in the translation. Why not? Let's click on it. School is a colloquial discourse particle that adds emphasis on mild exasperation. Here it intensifies da in informal spoken Danish. This has come up loads of times in my classes. School, what the hell's that? Can translate as damn, but really it's just there to give a little bit more strength to what you're saying. Now I can even go a step further and decode or deconstruct. So now I've got the translation. Well, that's just too boring for him. I dare school for kill it for him. And you can see the deconstruction takes us through each of the individual words. Exclamation expressing surprise, disagreement, or emphasis. Here it means something like no or oh or well. Amazing, amazing. School, a very informal intensifier. It adds force, like really or damn. But if we scroll down, we get the overall meaning here. The speaker is reacting informally and emphatically. The situation is not exciting for him. Yeah. The phrase skuda makes the sentence sound very spoken and expressive, like a quick, casual opinion. So not only do you get a translation, you also are getting the AI that is built into this extension is also giving you more details about how you use these words. For killit for ham means too boring for him, with for used twice. For killit for ham, too boring. Yeah, anytime you say too something, too little, too much, too whatever, you use for in Danish. This is a normal Danish structure for comparing something to a limit or standard. So there are a bunch of other features that I would love to go through in another video, but quickly here on the screen you can see that I've got it in Danish and English. You could set it to your native language, for example Spanish. You can scroll back and forth between the lines. You can click on individual words and you can deconstruct entire sentences. It's amazing. I genuinely love this. So you can grab yourself a 7-day free trial over on flixfluent.com. Test it, and if you like it, you can get 20% discount by using my code DanishTube FF. What are you waiting for? No excuses anymore, people. I've lost count of how many times I've been telling people you should be watching Danish movies. You should be watching Danish YouTube channels. This is a pretty good incentive to get going with it. Have fun. It's great. All the links you need are in the description. Hi.